XRP did it again, ladies and gentlemen. The market had a black swan event the last couple of days. Altcoins got absolutely destroyed. Bitcoin crashed massively. Ethereum crashed 30% in just a couple of days. What happened? What's going on? Well, particularly, the market did not like what Jerome Powell had to say. It spooked the market. It crashed the stock market, but it was just an emotional reaction because what Jerome Powell said in the statement, they also cut rates, is led people to believe that they're not going to be cutting much rates in 2025, and that's not going to be the case. Trump is going to lower rates. He wants to lower rates, and the Fed is going to be losing a lot of power from 2025 as soon as Trump gets inaugurated. And you guys are going to see that. And that's going to be extremely bullish for the market. So it doesn't matter what Jerome Powell says in this statement. Personally, it's all a part of big manipulation. They're trying to make somebody look bad before they step into office. They're trying to scare people. They're trying to ruin the Trump pump. But guess what? It's just all manipulation to get you to sell, to get you to panic. And that's what happened. And that's why the market is recovering very, very quickly. XRP, almost just a few hours ago, pumped back up to $2.40. We crashed down to under $2, which if you were in my group made a fortune yesterday because we longed XRP. We longed a whole bunch of altcoins that pumped 20 to 30% within just hours. And we bought the dip on XRP. As well, in my group, I told people at $2.50 that the market was looking weak and you should consider taking profits on XRP, because I somehow feel that there's going to be a crash. And that's exactly what happened. And now my people were able to buy 30%, give or take, more coins of XRP, sell near the top, buy the bottom, get more coins. And we all just made a shit ton of money yesterday by longing that crash. If you guys want to make a lot of money in crypto, the way you make money is you buy the dips on crashes and you long with leverage. If you guys want to learn how to long and leverage, you can go to YouTube and learn about that. But the platform to do that is Blowfin. The link is in my video description. And you guys can get up to a $10,000 deposit bonus by signing up using my link. But that's where you can long cryptos up to 150x leverage. Now, what's going to happen? Well, they just did a huge shakeout. They flushed out all the leverage. The market crashed massively. Now, what's going to happen is that's likely setting us up for a Santa rally. I think we're going to get a Santa rally probably this week, and it's starting now. I do think we have bottomed in the short term. But also what I'm expecting is, yes, we might get some type of bounce. The market might pump a little bit within the next week or so. But as we approach the new year, as we approach the end of the year, people are going to be taking profits. They're going to be moving funds around. They're going to be tax harvesting. There's going to be a lot of sell pressure most likely. So it's going to be the holiday season. Just relax. Take your time, be patient. You don't need to be trading or doing anything crazy within the few days of the new year, the end of the year. But I do think that the market's probably going to calm down a little bit, being that we're now in the holidays and we're approaching this season. But in the beginning of January, probably towards the mid of January, Trump is going to get inaugurated. The market's going to start pricing that in. And then the market's probably going to start pumping again, just like we saw when he got elected. So the market is very, very bullish. We're still in a bull market. Things are calming down. And I think we're going to go back up very, very soon. It's probably going to be a few weeks before we really start pumping hard. And there's probably even in between that time going to be some pumps. There's going to be some dumps. But the real next leg of the bull market is probably not going to be starting until near the inauguration of Trump. In addition to what that means is that Trump is going to be bringing crypto regulation. He wants innovation of crypto and all this good stuff with crypto. And so guess what's going to happen? All these altcoin ETFs are going to be approved. And if that happens, sorry, not if, it's when that happens, that's when we're going to see altcoin season. I think Bitcoin is going to still keep moving up, it's still going to keep pumping, but altcoins are really going to start to see a massive pump in the short term, especially starting in January. Once we get all these ETFs approved, you're going to see XRP ETF. That's going to pump XRP to $5 to $7. We have Solana ETF, Dogecoin ETF, probably Litecoin ETF. All the top 10 cryptos are going to be, they're going to have their own ETFs. There's going to be a basket of altcoin ETFs. It's going to be absolutely crazy, and the market's going to be so bullish, you're not even going to believe it. So guys, make sure you are in my Patreon. Make sure you guys are also using ALGOSNIPER. This is helping so many people. It's an indicator that will visually help you to understand when to buy and sell. You guys can try today right now for $1 at algosniper.com. As well, join the Patreon so you can follow all of my trades. It's 50% off right now for your first month by clicking the link below. Make sure you guys are trading on Blowfin, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'll see you later.